School. A place of learning, a place of routine, a place where lifelong friendships are made. I am Nathan Melfi, and today I'll be interviewing a man whose experience of school was very different to what ours is today. And that's because this man is my grandfather, and he went to school in the 1950s.
Do I look at that doogie, or do I look at you, Sonny?
Oh, you can look wherever, Grandpa, but that doogie that's right here is actually a camera lens.
Camera lens? Lens. The only lens I had when I was in school was the one between my spectacles.
So wait, when you were at school you never had smart boards or computers or anything like that?
Smart boards? We had blackboards, little ones for each student. Too bad if you're allergic to chalk dust though, like my good friend was.
Okay, Grandpa, so you know I'm filming this thing for a school project. Yeah, I've got, you know, those iPad cameras, and I'll bring it to school and I'll edit it at school on the school computers.
iPad? It looks like a piece of forged steel. And computers in school, that's... What? Next you'll be telling me that your teacher and classmates will have a good theatre show watching this movie, this colour movie, in school.
Yeah, well actually it's kind of like a day-to-day thing. We do watch a lot of things on the smart boards.
Watching videos in school? What? The only entertainment I had when I was in year 12, and our teacher let us listen to the moon landing on the school radio.
Well, wow, so before we were talking about how you used to use blackboards, but did you ever get to use a pencil or a piece of paper to write stuff down on?
Well, actually, we did eventually get these ink funnel pens and ink wells in the end of our desk, so like these little grooves. Too bad if you spilled some ink on your work, you'd have to start all over again.
That sounds annoying, to be honest.
Yes, but you'd never say anything like that in class, never, because you would get the cane.
The cane, like what? Like a candy cane reward, like a lolly?
Candy cane reward? Yeah, the only reward we got in school was break time, and everyone got that.
Oh, well, fair enough. So, Grandpa, tell me about this cane thing that you had.
Oh, the cane. Well, the cane was a small, flexible stick about the size of my walking cane, which I seem to have misplaced somewhere. And, well, anyway, if you were misbehaving in class, you would get hit by it on the hand. Sometimes multiple times, and it hurt.
Sounds terrifying. Yeah, we definitely don't have anything like that at school anymore.
What? Not any in school? No cane? How do the children behave in school now?
Well, the teachers kind of use like these cool like positive reward type things. You know, we get points and even prizes sometimes if we do the right thing in class, and then it kind of helps us want to learn rather than, I guess, scaring us with the cane into learning.
That's very, very different from what I was at school.
So now I've used my grandfather as a primary source to get information about what school was like back when he went in the 1950s in comparison to what school is like now. There's been many differences, such as mainly the use of an advancement of technology in class and in schools, and the general attitudes of the teachers and the students who went to school.